Hey guys, cooking yam porridge with bitter leaves is one of the most traditional ways to prepare yam porridge in Igbo land. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, peel, cut the white yam into medium cubes, rinse and put in a sizable pot. Add the dry fish crumbs. I showed this ingredient in what's in my freezer video. Add ukpaka, ground crayfish, stock cube, pepper, bitter leaves. By the way, this is how I get these tiny pieces of bitter leaves. When I rinse the bitter leaves for bitter leaf soup, you know those tiny ones at the bottom? I strain them, store in my freezer and use it for this traditional yam porridge. Now back to the pot. Add some water to just under the level of the yams, then cover and start cooking on high heat. Once it boils very well, add the Ogiri Igbo, Ogiri chai, and enough palm oil to color the meal. Cover again and continue cooking on high heat till the yam is well done and a thick porridge starts to form. Add salt if necessary and stir very well. Cover and leave to simmer for 2 more minutes and it's done. It is a very easy and quick recipe and it's yummy. See you soon.